The time is now 6:07. When looking for a doctor, many look for specifics or criteria, right? Maybe you prefer a male physician, a seasoned, more experienced physician, or maybe just someone that looks like you. When trying to find my own physician in Milwaukee who could relate to my health needs, I noticed there weren't many to choose from.
This is my office.
If an office could talk,
This is my Black Excellence Award.
this one would say the office resident is quite the achiever.
For sure.
Dr. Rosalyn McFarland is a family nurse practitioner in Brown Deer. Her laugh is just as big as her heart, serving patients for over 15 years.
I take it as an honor to be able to treat people.
From newborns on up to veteran disability and truck driver exams, Nurse Practitioner McFarland saw a need in the community. So she opened her own practice called My NP Medical Clinic.
Patients say, I was looking for an African American provider. I have gotten that many times, actually.
She sees patients from all walks of life, but through her own experiences can relate to many who walk through the door.
Well, I have a couple of different things against me, being African American, being a female, and I'm also short-statured.
But little did she know those things would become her superpower, becoming the first many times in her career.
Working in the ER, I actually was the only African American in the ER from first, second, and third shift.
This, I found, wasn't uncommon.
I've often been the only face that looks like me.
In the city, Dr. Veronica Williams is a family physician and the chief medical officer at Milwaukee Health Services.
We have, I believe, the most diverse practice in the state of Wisconsin.
From men to women of all ages, there's no shortage of diversity in the building where she serves.
Even American descendants of slavery, so physicians is in the single digits, and the needle is not necessarily moving.
And numbers show that. White and Asian physicians make up majority of the healthcare field, leaving Black and Hispanic physicians far behind. Meanwhile, the number of women becoming doctors has seen a steady incline since 2008.
It's the lifting as we climb, right? So the things that I go through, my son hopefully doesn't have to go through.
A mother of two, Dr. Williams finds herself in a unique place. She's often been the only Black woman in the room as a competitive swimmer and a classically trained violinist and pianist.
As a musician, a classically trained musician in several symphonies, I went to a predominantly white university. There are not a lot of classically trained violinists that look like me, right? And there are even less that are good that look like me.
Like Nurse Practitioner McFarland, Dr. Williams follows the sacrifices of other Black women in healthcare, honoring the legacy that came before her and creating paths for those next in line.
Yes, you get used to being the only face in the room, but the hope is that you won't always be the only face in the room because you've done the work in order to create the space for those who want to come behind you.
Yeah, well, Dr. Williams worked her way through medical school, doing parties and anything that involved music. You heard me talk about her love for music. Dr. McFarland also has so many things in the works for her clinic, like Botox and also teeth whitening, and that involves going to school, of course, taking some classes, and so
yeah, making everybody comfortable going to one spot for a lot of different things.
Absolutely.